Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel in my dream house. Starting from the first floor, we're gonna take a tour of the house. This is the entrance. In the first floor we have a total of 3 bedrooms. They're identical in size. And then we have the washer, nice and big, a lot of closets. We have the toilet over here and a bathroom in the first floor. Then we're moving towards the cinema hall. This is a really nice feature of the house, big and spacious, and we have a little bit of a view from the south side. Then from there we can enter the gym. Walking up to the second floor, as you can see, up the stairs we have these big windows and a lot of sunshine coming on from that south side. I'm gonna save the best video for last, guys, and show you the main lounge later. This is the sitting area beside the kitchen, and we have a nice and big spacious kitchen. We also have a gas fireplace, one upstairs and one downstairs. Kitchen is really big and spacious, a lot of cabinets. Then we have the library, and from there we can enter the office. This will be a really cool place once we have settled in. From the library we have a small veranda on the outside, and then this is the second floor guest toilet. We also have a small hobby room right beside the toilet. Moving in towards the main bedroom, we have a nice and spacious walk-in closet here. And of course, really important, also the private bath. Alright guys, this is the moment we're waiting for. This is the main lounge. And you can see the view of the Fana Fjord here. Really amazing. It's gonna be great once we get some sofas in here. Just a place to relax and enjoy the view. The weather is also great today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel in my dream house. The next video will be unboxing new furniture and some kitchen items. See you then.